Hello, this is Horror Harbour, and today I'm going to do an ESO guide on basic skills. So if you go to your home menu by pressing start and go to where you are in inventory, if you go down 2, there are skills. Skills change in the game. You've got a couple of sections. You've got class, weapon, you've got armour, world, guild, alliance war, racial, and craft. We'll go into more of these in a little bit of detail later on in this video, but just an overview, when you go into one of yours, you have all these skills here to unlock. A single skill point will unlock you these. All you have to do is there's a points in the top right hand corner. You can see mine's 109. You can get points using various ways. You can use sky shards, which we will go into later on, and some quests will also gift you a skill point. For instance, completing a dungeon will give you a skill point for the first time by completing the quest. So you can unlock these, and then what you would do is you go to one you've unlocked, press X to assign it, and choose which bar you want it on. Because when we do the combat tutorial, you'll learn that if I go onto my other hand and press B, I use the hurricane skill. If I press Y, I do a dark deal. If I press LB, I regain some health. So going back to skills. Once you've done it, or once you've unlocked the skills you want, as I say, you can assign them. So each class has very specific skills, and only that class can earn these skills. So for the sorcerer, you get dark magic, daedric summoning, and storm calling. You would not find these on any class other than sorcerer. Your weapon is available to any class, and you have to level it up by playing with that weapon. Each skill itself can be leveled up. This goes for the same for any skill line. So two-handed here, I am level 50. As you see, I have got Wrecking Blow level 4. I have used it enough to level it up, and you can see the skill blue bar there. Wrecking Blow is a morphed one, but we'll go into morphing in the skill advanced tutorial. So then, going on to armour, you level up armour by wearing that specific armour. So my light armour used to be on 0. I have recently created a stamina build. I'll talk about builds in a separate video. But the stamina build has allowed me to wear light armour because it's the best for stamina. And I've leveled it up gradually, and I can unlock all of these little skills at the bottom by leveling it up more. Going on to world. World is what you find in the main game. So, Ledgerman, I am not entirely sure how to level up. I will bring that back in the next video, hopefully. You've got Soul Magic, which everyone has. This is all about using Soul Stones, etc. Which 6 is its maximum level. You've got Vampire or Werewolf. You only get these if you've got a bite. If you do not want to buy a bite as a DLC package, we will go into that in the DLC video, the Crown Store video. You can get a bite from a friend. I will go into more about bites in a later video. So now going on to guilds. Guilds are commonly unlocked by DLC, however Fighters Guild and Mages Guild are both, and Undaunted are all unlocked for you in the main game. Undaunted you get at level 45, and the Fighters Guild and Mages Guild you can start from any time. The Dark Brotherhood is the Assassin's DLC, which you level up by doing specific missions for the Dark Brotherhood. And same with the Thieves Guild. And the Sigic Order comes from the Somerset DLC. We know we're going to get another one with Greymore later in the year, because every 2 DLC brings you a skill line, and the other one brings you a class. Alliance War is all about you in PvP. We will really go into this on the PvP videos, but this is basically ensuring that some of these can help your fellow teammates. So if you really want to advance on PvP, use them, but we will talk about them more in PvP. Your racial skills are whatever race you chose has a specific set of skill lines. As you see, the Red Guard has all these. When you get onto a Khajiit, etc., you will have completely different skills in the racial line. So crafting is, you have to level them up doing writs or just by crafting in general. The easiest way is to steal all. So if I go to out here, this is in Deshan at the moment. So if I go to, say, like this guild hall here, there are lots and lots of weapons I can steal. If I kept stealing these and then placing them back in, went away and came back, I could keep doing that. It would level up your skill line, but it is a slower method, but it is the method I am going to be using for when I teach you all about master crafting. That will be quite a while yet, as you see I am nowhere near. But back to skills. If you want to get higher traits, you need to improve the top one on metalworking, etc. to level 9 is normally the best, but you can go to level 10. As you see, every rank allows a new crafting ability to be learnt, but when you buy the racial armor styles, you sometimes need like trait 9 to unlock them, and that means you can change your outfit to look like something like mine. The same works for a lot of these, and so forth. So that is your basics of skills. The only thing I want to mention is these skills are all usable immediately, as long as you have enough stamina or magicka. However, the ultimate ability, which comes at the top, sometimes the hardest thing to unlock. For some skill lines, you need like level 50 to unlock them. These you have to charge up by doing combat. Once you've charged them up enough, you will be able to use them within combat. I'd like to thank you very much for watching this video on basic skills. The next video we will go into more advanced skills if you feel like using them. However, to do a lot of the steps in the next video, it will cost you some money. So I'd like to thank you all very much for watching this video. Please comment if you have anything you need on the Elder Scrolls. I will either reply to you if it's a basic problem, or I will make a video on it if I think more people will need help with that. If you need anything else, please do comment. I will help on the game. If you've got any other game recommendations, I will try to film them. So this has been an ESO guide video. To see more, go to the playlist on my channel. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you all in a bit.